Have you ever been trapped in a situation, say, a crowded elevator, or perhaps a busy subway train, and then it hits you? The unmistakable smell of body odor? And then, oh no, you realize it's coming from you? Friends, you're not alone. Today, we're going to dive into the often embarrassing, always relevant topic: how to get rid of armpit odor. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! First things first, understanding the enemy. See, when we sweat, it's usually odorless. So why does it stink sometimes? Well, according to research done by the Society for General Microbiology in 2015, it's the bacteria on our skin breaking down the sweat. They're the true culprits behind that not-so-pleasant smell. Yes, we're all walking bacterial buffets. So here's how you deal with the problem. Step 1. Start with a good old-fashioned scrub down. But don't just use any soap, try an antibacterial one. It helps you get right at those stinky bacteria causing all the fuss. The Environmental Protection Agency recommends using such soaps because they effectively kill bacteria and other germs. Step 2. Switch to an aluminum-free deodorant. Why, you ask? Some studies, like the one published by the National Center for Biotechnology Information in 2014, suggested that aluminum and antiperspirants can mess up your skin's bacterial balance, which might lead to more odor. Who would have thought, right? Step 3. Witch hazel. Now you're probably thinking, isn't that for acne? Well, it is. But it's also a natural astringent. A study from the University of Michigan Health System found that it can lower your skin's pH, making it less hospitable for bacteria. Just dab a bit on a cotton ball and apply it under your arms. Step 4. Get your baking soda out of the pantry. It's not just for baking and cleaning anymore. It helps absorb sweat and eliminate bacteria. Simply mix a little with water to form a paste, apply it to your pits, let it dry, then rinse. And finally, step 5, watch what you eat. According to a study published in the Journal of Nutritional Science and Vitaminology in 2006, foods with strong odors like garlic and onions can actually seep into your sweat, making the body odor even worse. So moderation is key. So there you have it. A comprehensive, not-so-terrifying guide on how to get rid of armpit odor. Remember, it's not about masking the smell, but getting to the root of the problem. Thanks for sticking with us. Make sure to hit subscribe, share this video with someone who might need it, and drop a comment about your experience with these steps. Stay fresh, folks.